A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. So here I'll consider let the numerator be, let the numerator be numerator I'll consider it as x and denominator b y. Then the fraction will be x by y. So now here, according to the given condition, like a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from numerator. When 1 is subtracted from numerator, then fraction becomes 1 by 3. So if I'll cross multiply here, if I'll cross multiply 3 times x minus 1 equals 1 into y. So here it is like 3x minus 3 equals y. 3x, y if I'll transpose this side, minus y equals minus 3 if I'll transpose it will be plus 3. This is equation 1. Now second equation, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So numerator as it is, if 8 is added to its denominator, it becomes 1 by 4. Now again if I'll cross multiply, 4 times x equals 1 into y plus 8. So y if I'll transpose towards left side, 4x minus y equals 8. This is equation 2. Now if I'll solve this 1 and 2, solving equation 1 and equation 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. See here the coefficients of y are same. 3x minus y equals 3 and the other one is 4x minus y equals 8. So coefficients of y are same, so I'll subtract both the equations. Elimination method. Minus, this minus sign will become here like plus. This is minus. Minus y plus y cancel. 3x minus x is minus 1x. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So x value is 5. Now you can substitute this x value in any one of the equation. So if I'll take the first equation, 3x minus y equals 3. 3 into 5 minus y equals 3. 3 into 5, 15. Plus 3 if I'll transpose, minus 3. Minus y if I'll take to the other side, plus y. 12 equals y. Therefore, the fraction, required fraction is x by y, 5 by 12. Now if you want you can check, you can verify. Now see if 1 is subtracted from numerator, if 1 is subtracted from numerator, 5 minus 1 by 12, that is 4 by 12, which is nothing but it will become 1 by 3. It's correct. And another condition is if 8 is added to denominator, if 8 is added to denominator, 12 plus 8, 5 by 20, which is nothing but 1 by 4. So both the conditions are satisfied. So the required fraction is here 5 by 12.